Kajing yo jing ujor na ki padba ki nong elam shnong ber ki bor peniat skul ki badan marjan ber ki karkhana ha Byrnihat ki bala syakan tho pendut jabo syaki wa pynmih jingsawa bat pynmih tdem jakhlia kala penlong yu MLA ke jirang constituency uba sos tennis Sorton lem ber uba Victor Rani MDC ki bor peniat district lem ber ki nong mi khmat na ka pollution control board ha khat sandrik urempang arajar puar kaban lejurep hi katu kat ni tli ki karkhana ha kate kathan Kani ke jing let jurip la sakiru da ke jing don lang kinang elam shnong ki bla pen pau ke jing sngo kya hadien baki padba kila ot na ka por syakapor halor ki jing penwit ki ba mi na ki teki karkhana ba kila yo ban kren shai mar khmat bagi trai karkhana ba kimdei ban pentot ki padba la da ki kwa ban peteng ki kam ka jingsawa ka jing penmi tdem ka jing pyntuid jabo syakiwa la keno ru bala penmi de ki artli karkhana ba kentop ka CMJ breweries bar ka karkhana pawan ispat kabadon bat sainar ha kabana kaliang UMLA ula lej banjurep dalaki khmat ya kiteki karkhana ban lap ke jing shisha
Boros katang ila suyo snow tang ya kijing complain na ki nongsong snong ba kadon kane kijing sawa ka basirkai ba hadu bam longshu ban yakran ban yakhana hayi ngasemro kala kta bhai kisnong githau anta ka baar kolong habayde ba kane kijing tu jabo supawa lalong ka ba isirkai hadu kata hadu ba tum ki nongsong snong wat bania sum bania saj bania sajan sawa ro ilong su maka tu jobo sene sapo wa kalong kai ke ba sumusi nak liang jungi kum ki nong elam snong ge nak tadaw ngi sokhia ban ngi simkhia ro akan ngi bania wan bania kmi lang ni kini ki jing e ki babun ak bayde ba kini ki factory adon ro kane ka jing pynmih ni ki tidam kini ki tidam dan tangki hair sti sejrong de ki 1000 feet sejrong bat kili hapat sigi baranda jo ki ying brew tentang kiying kisam ni kibreu kila yang tentang kamdon su kejing khoi kijing khlia klakta aru ya ka kot ka khia jung kinong snong hamtam ki khna school ki badan persya kane ka CMJ nang nele hamtam kalong persya ba ka school don busko hangte kano ki khna school ki ot inam kalong ka jing isne hi ki ki khun ki para kijungi hi ki nong snong jugi ba pule hangko dena ta daw long habakum kane ka por nakliang jung ki try bagi bapek bakmi ya kane hi ka CMJ hang kila kular ban le kat bala ban penduna re nak liang jungi kasinjok ilete ngi kwa hi totally stop de ban pensange hi mardor ya kini ki jingsawa kini ki jing pyntuid jobo sawa bat kene ka jing pynmih ini ki tdem jobo namar ngi nak liang jungi im kwa su baganang don su ka jing ot ki jing nam nang ne smat ngi kwa hi ba kakam jungi ru kakan yai be tang ba ya ka snong ka thaum de ban penthut ya ka imlang salang de penthut nak liang jungi kasinjok tang tai
yo e ka complain ka ba nak leng ki padba nak leng snong kala ai complain ha gede bat ka jing jakhlia ha gede bat ka tdem ha jing jakhlia ha gede ha bat ha gede ke jing penjakhlia ya ka mariang nang ta bat ha ka bayde bat ka gede ka jingmi jong ka jingsawa ka sound ka ba jur ba hadu ba kala pentut penwit ya ki om tangi ki kena school andre ya ki ya baro ki pa nyong snong ki badon ha kene kathan badain ta kadaw na kaliang jongi ngilaiwan ban dalade ban yo ban pej ban khmi ban yo ban bu ru ya ka jingkarpat ya ki try jong kini ki factory ka pawan ispat nang ta kumju ya ka CMJ nang ta kumju ru ya ki we ki factory ki badon in and around Byrnihat ba kini ki factory baro aba ki run ya kini ka factory ka jengki bakin ya kat kum ki kendon jong ka pollution board bat ba kenang bakan light na kinu ki jing penwit bat kum ju ru ba ki pat nong snong ki badon ha kini ka than kin yo ya ka jingeda ka bakar pang kamtam ka kot ka khia mo ka badon kam na kamta ki pat ba baro ni bu ya ka jukot jingkia matam tingi don kam ba ki borok ki try jeng ni factory ni nakalian jong kum MLA kumju ngi don lang MDC ki borok nak team nak administration nang ta ki nakalian ka pollution board ki nakalian ki police ki don lang ki sunjuk nang ba snong ibu lang ka jingkerpat sebaro ki nong punya ya sebaro ki try jeng ni ki industries ki factories ki badon hagi Byrnihat area he borok ba kini lek kat bala ban penduna lani ban penduk no si sendon ya kini ki bapenwit ya ka mariang na ki bapenwit ya ka snong de khau badon kini ki area ki jongi.
While rumors have been spread against us for no rhyme or reason, If you see the incidents of last 2 to 3 weeks, it is very clear that one particular industry was being targeted when there are so many industries in Byrnihat which are emitting smokes, etc. Now, to put the record straight, right now, while they inspected the factory, the plant is running full capacity. There is no smoke from the chimney. There is no noise except for the noise which is in the equipments which the factory is running. They could not find anything else which is otherwise, which is there almost every day, except when the plant stops because of the power failure. So when the power failure is there, the plant restarts. That for 2 hours, 3 hours, that noise which disturbs everybody is happening because it's a steam coming out at high pressure. That noise is disturbing to that 2 to 3 hours with the smoke coming out because the chimney has been refired. So for that 2 to 3 hours, that noise and that smoke is there. Thereafter, the entire plant restabilizes. There is no smoke, there is no noise at all, as you see right now in the plant. So my request to all is that let us support such industry, which is the only one in India, in Meghalaya, who has an employment of 500 local people. And when I say 500 local people, I mean genuine 500 local people in the factory. No one else in Meghalaya has this kind of manpower. We are the only ones who give 200 crores per year as revenue to the state government. No one else is giving that.
So what is the process like?
We already have the best of pollution equipment in the plant as per the pollution board. So that is why there is no smoke now. There is no smoke now. It is invariably, as Mr. Karkhana was also explaining, that when you restart the plant, that initial 2 hours, 3 hours is bound to happen, that smoke. No one can stop that. So that
How you can control it?
So we will try to reduce that. We have spoken to our MLA, we have assured him that we will try to reduce the noise to the best possible extent under the laws. We will do that. Besides that, there are agencies by the government of Meghalaya who are monitoring our noise levels every month. They submit a report every month to the pollution board, which highlights the smoke and the noise levels, which are in line with the framework of the laws.
So what?
I would request everybody that let us try to control this smoke which is emitting from all the factories to the best possible extent, and see to it that our nearby areas are not affected by it. And I am from Meghalaya, born, brought up here. I would say that I would request everyone to cooperate to the best possible so that we live together as one community in Byrnihat.